Welcome back to Life on Greenwood, guys. Giving you a sneak preview. I went furniture shopping. Yes, I went furniture shopping. But let's just stop for a little boogie. Yeah, I went furniture shopping after like 5 years of not having furniture in my formal living room because I gave it to baby girl. Another boogie break here. Let me just get this out of my system. I know the sales guys think I am crazy. Anyway, went furniture shopping and was really thinking getting like 4 chairs. I talked about having this conversational section in the living room. She's boogieing again. Yes, 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 girl. Get it, get it, get it, get it. My husband, I know he thought I was so crazy. And the guy's bringing it in. I was going to get 4 chairs at first. Then when I got to the store, started looking around, I saw a sofa love seat that I really liked. But then they told me they couldn't get the love seat in time. So I asked if I can get the 2 sofas for the same price. And, you know, just negotiated with the sales guy. So we got the 2 sofas.
Wow, bigger than I thought.
We got 2 sofas, and I'm just giving you a sneak preview. I can't wait to really style this and get get a nice rug for the living room. Here's a peek at what it looked like at the store. It's like a light gray, I guess it is, maybe like a grayish color, but it's very light. I wasn't crazy about the pillows, but they came with it, so you can always use those and put covers on them and what have you. But I like that. It's like a tweedish kind of material. And we needed this, as I said, 4 or 5 years without having living room furniture. We needed something. But I'll bring you guys back when we have the living room.
Definitely bigger than I remember.
When we have the living room all decorated. And I just want to give you a sneak preview. So thank you guys so much for riding with me. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.